for Jam on Guitar Lessons. We're going to talk about shapes that you can use with scales next. Still kind of messed up a little bit there at the end, but that's okay because none of us are perfect. A lot of us worry about messing up when we play guitar. You learn better when you mess up because you know not to do that again. Anyways, most of that what I was playing was shapes that you could use with some of the scales that I would teach you in Jam on Guitar Lessons. And I'll do lessons one-on-ones via Zoom, or I will do lessons one-on-one here in Richmond, Kentucky area. And so you can take and learn your chords first. Learn like G, D, C, A minor, E minor. Just different chords that you would learn first that I would teach you and how to use the rhythms for those chords. Teach you how to play the rhythms, and then once you learn rhythms and all the chords that you need to know to be able to play different songs, along with bar chords and everything, then I'll start teaching you scales, like pentatonic scales, to where you can play leads and what's called fills, where you're filling in parts of the song maybe during the verse or something. And that's kind of what I was doing there, and what would have been played along with the music. It doesn't sound as good as if it's not with the music, but so you could take a scale, and this is a G scale, a G major scale, and you can take and make a shape out of it with your fingers, just like this, and go back and forth between the little parts in the shape. And that's kind of filling in areas in the song that need to be filled in, especially like if you're in the worship team at church, or maybe if you're just playing writing a song. I can help you be able to play, to start writing songs and writing music for songs. And the other part that I was playing right here is actually an E minor pentatonic scale, and they go together because G, the chord G, and that was a G scale and an E minor pentatonic scale. G and E minor are relatives. So the major chord G, the relative minor for that is E minor. And this is all things that I could teach you while doing one-on-one lessons. I know it's really hard to learn when you're learning from a video online, so I can help you with one-on-one lessons, be able to learn all of this one-on-one, like I said, via Zoom, or here in this area in Richmond, Kentucky. And you can learn as much as I've learned over the years that I've been playing guitar, and I've taken lessons and done all that and everything, and years ago, and played in a Christian rock and worship band for over 10 years. I'm actually starting another Christian rock band right now as we speak. A few of us guys are, and the Lord is really, I give the Lord all of credit because God saved me, and Jesus gave me everything that I could ever have. He delivered me from drugs years ago and saved me from an accident that I almost died in a little over a year ago, and I give him the credit for me being able to play guitar. Besides that, you can learn more on guitar stuff like this. want to go from the beginners part of the learning how to play guitar, the beginners lessons, I can start you on that. Or if you are an intermediate player, I can take you to more intermediate and to more of the advanced if you would like to learn the advanced. So I love playing guitar. It's just fun. Whether I'm playing in a band or not, it's just fun to play guitar. You can always learn something different and something new on guitar. And there's specific songs that I would teach you when I teach you your chords, and you could learn and have fun playing guitar. I'm not going to keep you much longer on this video, but check me out. If you want to call me, 859-314-0233. Just talk guitar, or just talk about a time where I could get you set up with lessons via Zoom, or in this area, like I said, Richmond, Kentucky area. I would love to help you with some lessons. You all have a blessed day.